New today in the Casey Anthony probation controversy, we now know what the victim in Anthony's check fraud case, Amy Huizenga, wants.
Now, tomorrow, Judge Belvin Perry will decide whether Casey Anthony has to come back to Florida to serve probation.
West 2's Bob Keeling joining us live from the courthouse with more. So, Bob, does Huizenga think justice was served when Anthony served her probation in jail?
Yeah, it appears so, Martha, because she is aligning herself with the opinion of the state attorney's office, where they're basically taking no stance on whether Casey Anthony should serve probation. So right now, the only proponent for that probation order is the judge who recused himself again yesterday, Judge Stan Strickland. Amy Huizenga, the former prosecution witness in Casey Anthony's murder trial, who at one time considered Anthony a trusted confidant.
Very, very close friends, yes.
Today has no interest in seeing Anthony forced to return to Orlando and serve a year of check fraud probation for stealing several $100s from Huizenga. Amy has no position, her attorney tells West 2. The case is behind her.
She doesn't really gain anything by Miss Anthony being put on probation.
Attorney Richard Hornsby, who provided legal commentary for West 2 during the murder trial, says he thought Huizenga's position would be different.
And you would think that Miss Huizenga would want, considering she was dragged into this mess, would want some type of punishment imposed as well.
State Attorney Lawson Lamar's spokesman told West 2 they also will not argue for probation at tomorrow's hearing because they feel it would be double jeopardy against Anthony.
She's already served what the state required her to do. She's already done.
In the stay he issued yesterday, Judge Perry acknowledged Strickland has clarified his intent for Anthony to serve her probation after her release and not while she was in jail awaiting trial.
On one hand, he's going to say, yes, Judge Strickland was right. His oral sentence prevails over anything that's written. However, because the Department of Corrections actually went out and supervised her, the defense is right in that she served her probation.
Now, Hornsby says because Huizenga is aligning herself with the views of the state attorney's office, he feels it will be easier for Judge Perry to basically quash and vacate this order of probation for Casey Anthony. Reporting live from the Orange County Courthouse, I'm Bob Keeling, West 2 News.